because you're awesome and because you're one of the life-changing tech people at Abbott. I'm excited to announce in 3 weeks from today, on Friday, August 28th, you're invited to attend a program on cohesion and team building, like no other team building program you've ever experienced before. See, we think there's extroverts, right? Look at me, interact with me, and we think there's introverts, you know, hey, let me keep a little distance from you. What no one's told you, there's 2 other interaction styles that you're probably in, at least this one, if not this one. And this is why that extrovert introvert thing never quite worked for you. So what is it that you are? Are you this guy over here, an ambivert, also called versatility, a strong need for sharing and a strong need for privacy? Or are you over here? Are you one of my neutrals that are read wrong? Everyone thinks you lack confidence or self-esteem, and that's not it at all. You just don't have a strong need for sharing or a strong need for privacy. And it shows up that you lack confidence, but that's not it. My name's Janine Driver, and I'm going to teach you a piece of emotional intelligence 2.0, the 4 interaction styles, so you can be the best version of you, both professionally and personally. And it's a lot of fun. Wait till you find out about why Jen and Brad never worked out and never will unless they get my help. I'll see you in 3 weeks, August 28th. Say yes and sign up today before you lose your spot.